Giant centipede. Alright, we are within Bilateria, divided into the protostomes and the deuterostomes. The giant centipede represents protostomia, therefore our animal has to represent deuterostomia. Mink. Utiliostoma. It is divided into Sarcopterygiae and Actinopterygiae. The mink is a tetrapod, and tetrapods are Sarcopterygians. Therefore, our animal has to be an Actinopterygian. Pufferfish. Percomorpha, a diverse group that is divided into 9 clades, with the pufferfish representing Eupercaria. So, we have to guess a non-Eupercarian percomorph. Let's try a member of the Ovolentaria. Clownfish. We have entered Ovolentaria. Ovolentaria is divided into 4 major groups. The infraseries or superorder Atherinomorpha, guppies, flying fishes, and their relatives. Order Cichliformes, cichlids, leaf fishes, and their relatives. Order Mugiliformes, Asian glassfishes and mullets. And order Bleniiformes, clownfishes, blennies, and their relatives. The clownfish represents the order Bleniiformes. That means we have to guess a non-bleniiform ovolentarian. Guppy. Alright, we have entered Atherinomorphae, also known as Atherinomorpha, containing 3 orders: Atheriniformes, silversides, Beloniformes, flying fishes, needlefishes, and their relatives, and Cyprinodontiformes, guppies, rivulines, toothed carps, killifishes, and their relatives. The guppy represents Cyprinodontiformes. That means we have to guess a non-Cyprinodontiform Atherinomorph. Flying fish. And our animal is the Atlantic flying fish.